What up? All right, so my stress levels are at an all-time high. I'm live streaming on YouTube and TikTok simultaneously. This is groundbreaking stuff over here. Anyway, let's have a look what's going on. Let me just check, make sure everything looks legit. I'm not doing any retarded shit. I think everything's working. This is a miracle. This is an absolute miracle. Yep. All right, anyway, here we are. Gold. Monday. I feel like I say it every Monday, but Mondays are actually the best day for traders because we wait all weekend. We can't trade on the weekend. All right. Sorry, I'm just getting all my shit. They've got like so much shit on these screens because I'm streaming on 2 apps. Okay. Let's start with the top-down analysis. We're edging back up towards all-time highs, which is interesting. I wonder if we'll break through today even. I wonder if we'll break through. Crazy. What were you shocked about, history? I haven't really had a look yet, so... Oh, you're in a long position to fill that gap there. Okay, interesting. Sorry if I'm a bit scattered right now. I'm just making sure everything's working good. YouTube guys. Shocked about the huge gap up or gap down, you mean? Yeah, I know it gapped down over the weekend. All right, anyway, let's have a look. So we're here on the 4-hour. Yep, here on the 4-hour. It's obviously pushed up from a Asian session, yeah, came down, tapped in, pushed up. 1 hour. I think this will be my first zone. This will be my resistance zone, I think. Let me have a look in the 15. Yeah, that's going to be my resistance zone right there. That's going to be my resistance zone. 30-minute. And 15. Bro, it's actually so difficult to fucking stream on YouTube and Instagram at the same time. I mean, TikTok. All right, let me focus here. Let's have a look. All right, this is a major key area right here for me. I'm going to be looking for a breakthrough of this resistance zone right here, or some sort of bounce off it. A breakthrough or a bounce off is what I'm going to be looking for over here. If you look at Forex, support has been created on 274, but because you look to the left, let's have a look on Forex. Yeah, I understand that support's been created if you're talking about just here. The only issue with that is if I was looking for some sort of breakout, I know that right here, it's going to have to get through. And I would rather wait for a breakout of this level first. That's where my head's at right now. Because this looks like it's still very bullish. It's just created a bit of support and it'll punch through this area here. Aru, what is up? I'm currently streaming on TikTok at the same time, so I'm fucking a bit scattered right now. I'm like looking at all these different charts and shit. But I'll pull it together. 15. Yeah, this is my area here for sure. Four hour and 1 hour bullish. Yeah. What's your name on TikTok? Yeah, have a look, because you know the thing, when you stream on TikTok, you actually can't see, like I can't check. I can just rely on what the app is, like what the screen on the computer is saying. It's just my name. It's _ Daniel Holmes _. That's what it is. So yeah, I'm looking for buys above here. I'm looking for buys above here. I'm not opposed to getting some sort of bounce off it either and try to catch a sell as well, but it's looking more bearish, sorry, bullish than anything. So I think that's where a big portion of my mind is right now. Monday, fresh week. Let's try and put some percentages on this account, man. Let's try and catch some wins over here. History, if you do have a look on TikTok, you should give me a heads up if it looks all normal. If it looks normal. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like on Forex. Very bullish. Oh shit. Very bullish. Yeah. What's your name on TikTok? We'll look for the stream. It's _ Daniel Holmes _. Sells are not a good idea right now. Some experts told that it'll probably be bullish due to the escalation. Yeah, it does definitely look more bullish. Yeah. For sure. There's this major 4 hour zone that it kind of broke above as well. This major 4 hours resistance zone. Well, it hasn't closed above yet, but it's somewhat breaking above now. Yeah, very interested to see how this reacts off this level up here. I think some opportunities will arise. Now we wait. The waiting game. That is all you can do. You are a bit behind on YouTube, seems... Okay, but as long as it looks normal and shit, like that's the main thing, I guess. That is the main thing. I don't know if I'll be able to do this again. It's too stressful. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, it looks super bullish on the daily. Super duper. Yeah, I know your face gets covered by the comments and shit, hey, on TikTok. It's weird. Although no one's commented, it's just like, oh, this person watches, this person watches. You should drop a comment or something, history, so I can see if it actually works, and I'll give you a follow as well. Super famous. Super duper. Holy shit. 75 likes on TikTok? That can't be right. That can't be humanly right. 160? Nah, that's cap. Maybe if you just like triple spam it. Alright, so waiting for some sort of... Yeah, now mine says 230. It's got to be some sort of glitch. Unless you can just spam it like double tap, triple tap, triple tap. Oh no, you can see that as well. Okay, well fuck, I have no idea what's going on then. Alright, so just over here now, we're just waiting for some sort of... Waiting for gold to push up and give some sort of opportunity. Bullish for the day, like bullish bias, but I'm very willing to switch that bias. I don't want to get too stuck on it. Bruh, I think you can just spam taps on TikTok. Surely. Did you give away the prop accounts? Oi, bro, I'm actually very glad that you said that. I got the credentials today, but I was too stressing out. It's double taps. Oh, thanks for filling me in there, Brad. All right, Brad, you're my first ever comment on TikTok. Because like, nah, there's no way. Yeah, so I got these prop accounts. I got the credentials today, but I was too stressed to like figure all this TikTok streaming out to sort it out. But sometime this week, I'm going to start, yeah, giving them away. Very keen. Very keen. They're only small accounts. I don't know exactly what size they are yet, but they're only small, but it's better than fucking nothing. And the thing is, I just gave you 50 likes. Oh, my man, thank you. The thing is, if you can pass the small account challenge, you're a G, because psychologically, a small account, you're much more likely to be reckless with it, right? Bro, I've got 670 stream likes. That's, I guess it's really only like 3, but some people have just decided to spam it, which I'm not mad at. But yeah, what I was saying, if you can pass a small account challenge, you know, you're well on your way. How was your Friday? What happened Friday? Oh, Friday was not much happened. I didn't even get a trade on Friday, I don't think. There was no good opportunity. It just dropped and dropped and dropped. There was good opportunity in New York, but I was like, no, I was done by that point. I was working. Yeah, you didn't miss out much on London. You did not miss much. So remember on Mondays, you want to be a little bit more cautious. It's nearly the end of the month. It's NFP week. Like, there's a lot of shit going on, which is like, just be a bit more cautious. I might lower my lot size a little bit on a Monday, you know. If I get 1,000 likes on TikTok, I'll jump out my window. Metaphorically. What's the 1 hour doing? We might just consolidate for a little bit here. Because what happens after a consolidate? A consolidate's kind of like a little build up. It's like conserving the energy to then push through again. Conserving that energy. Yeah, I got my other prop account as well from this funding company. So I'm gonna be running stream on TikTok, YouTube, and trading on 2 different accounts. I think I'll get used to it. Just right now, it's a bit freaking hectic. I got 2 nice trades on Friday, but it did the same. Consolidated, then boom, pushed up 200 pips. Yeah, wild, bro. Wild. I think that was on Friday. Yeah, that would have been the New York sesh, because it dropped down a bunch through London, and then skyrocketed New York. New York. Let me draw up some stuff here on Zoom to show what I'm looking for. Show you what I'm looking for over here. Pretty simple. We've created a bit of support. I essentially want a candle to come up here, break through, simple stuff, break through. Once I get a close outside of this zone here, next one, come down, tap down, show me it doesn't want to be there, and take off. I'll put a buy stop right there. Boom. Easy money. See you later. See you later. Can't get any more simple than that. Cannot get any more simple than that. If it comes up here, if it does some other stuff, I'll reassess. Yeah, but that's where my head's at right now. So not a whole bunch of movement just yet. I feel bad for TikTok. There's no background music. You just get to hear me breathe. I'm just doing a little bit of observation here just to see if, because let's say the overall bias is bullish. I mean, yeah, bullish. You know, maybe it could have one more pullback before it kind of breaks through, because all-time highs isn't far away, man. So let me just do a bit of observation here just to see if I can time a bit of a pullback potentially, like see if there's any clues. Just gonna switch over to Forex for a sec on the 4 hour. This is a strong rejection 4 hour zone. You know, this is the 4 hour chart here. So like you can see it rejected here, and now we're kind of rejecting at the same area, rejected here, right? And it would make sense if it keeps rejecting in these areas. What's the probability that it's going to come down one more time just to build up before it pushes off again? And if I can catch that pullback, that's pretty cool type shit. So let's have a look. Big Dog TV. Hey, what's up, brother? What's the name of that song in the background? It sounds like what we call stepping music in Chicago. Ooh, bro, what is up? To be honest, it's just a bunch of random stuff that I jacked off YouTube. I know one of them's called Purple Cat is her name, the musician. Purple Cat. So yeah, I just kind of jacked a few different ones and put them together. But yeah, I'm not really comfortable with what I'm seeing for to catch a pullback trade here, because the green candles only got progressively bigger on the 30-minute. Usually I'd want them to get smaller, hit the resistance zone, then print, you know, red candles that are progressively bigger. But right now the green candle's getting bigger, and then it just flips. It's too sus. Too sus for me. Demand zone. I don't even know what demand zones is. I'm assuming it's basically the same as kind of resistance support. Supply and demand, resistance support. I'm pretty sure that's kind of like the same thing. I did get kind of into the supply and demand zone for a while there, but I was like, you know, yeah, just the same as everything else. Kind of just choose, kind of pick your poison type shit. It is, yeah, okay. Yeah, I thought so. Getting some sort of rejection here on the 31 hour. I'm not interested in participating in this. Like I'll show you right here what would be the perfect scenario to catch this reversal. As it was coming up, you get something like this, and then it actually gets smaller. Look how the candle bodies are getting smaller, and then it really actually gives that resistance a solid test. Can't do it, comes back down, closes small body. The next one gives it one more test. Again, can't do it, closes small body red, engulfing the previous one. Next one wicks up one more time and then pushes. That is the perfect reversal scenario at a 4-hour rejection zone. And on the 30-minute, if it printed that, I'd be in full margin. It's very rare that you see it that clean, but when you do, bruh, I'm all in. But instead, the candle bodies on the way up are getting bigger, and then it kind of didn't really hit that resistance zone and just decided to turn around. It's too sus. Like, sure, it could push down, but the odds would be less in my favor, so I'm not going to participate. What up, TikTok? TikTok is my first ever live here. I'm on YouTube as well. Drop some likes. Drop some likes. Ticking and talking. Oh, this 30's got 1 minute here. Damn, that's enticing, man. What's his range? Fuck, that's a big range. It doesn't look big. That's like 100 pips. Just from there. That's 150 pips, that range right there. Damn. Oh, well, we don't have to catch every trade, I guess. If you know like a certain layout of candles produces a higher probability of an outcome, you're best just to wait for that, right? As opposed to being like, oh, it kind of looks like my setup, maybe I'll just do it anyway. And it's like, yeah, it might pay off this time, but in the grand scheme, you're going to get burnt over 100 trades. Over 100. Ashley, what are you doing? Ashley, I'm trading gold live on TikTok and YouTube simultaneously. So I'm just here looking at gold, waiting for an opportunity to take a position here. I'm trading on a 100K Topstep challenge account. What platform, bro? Yeah, Topstep. I'm using their Topstep's platform. It's called Topstep X. And yeah, just waiting for an opportunity over here. I'm biased on bullishness for the day, so I'm kind of waiting. I think this pullback here is a bit sus. Well, it's not sus, it actually just already moved fucking heaps. 40 pips. But yeah, just waiting over here for an opportunity of some sort. I could potentially even, like, if I'm somewhat bullish for the day and we're having a pullback now, if this candle were to flip a smaller body than prior, ideally create one more even smaller than that with a big wick of some sort, and virtually the opposite of what I just said then. The next one come up, close like this, and the next one close like this and push up, I'll take my entry right there, anticipating that continuation back up. Right, that looks like it makes sense. Obviously it looks pretty clean, like, you know, that's a pretty clean reversal sign, but if I get something along the lines of that, fucking I'm all in. What time frame? Oh, sorry, TikTok. Yeah, I don't have it in there, but this is a 30-minute time frame right now. I'll primarily be switching between the 30 and the 15. The 30 and the 15. I'll try and call it out if I switch. Doing, brother, how you been? Oh, Nathan, what up, bro? Good, man. Just doing a bit of live streaming here. I thought I'd live stream to TikTok. I'm live streaming on YouTube as well. Some trades here on gold. So just hanging out, waiting for an opportunity over here. Let me zoom out some of the higher time frames. How you been, Nathan? Fuck, it's been a while. I still don't know which candle to believe on the 4-hour Forex or futures. 1 hour, it's kind of rejected off this. Yeah, this is a pretty solid 1 hour rejection area. I guess I could have done a bit better analysis if I wasn't stressing out so much. Like, check this out. Oh, I'll zoom out a little bit. Hang on. Like, this is the 1 hour chart. Look at this. Rejection here, and we're getting the same here. I think I just assumed because, look, it's come up, down, making higher lows. So low, higher low, another higher low. I guess I would have assumed that this would have been the opportunity for it to break through, but looks like it might need one more kind of bounce to continue up. This is all speculative. Like, obviously anything can happen, but yeah, we'll see. Haven't seen you in a bit. Yeah, bro, it's fully, yeah. It's been a hot minute. The hottest. So yeah, just on the charts over here. Trying to see if we can get something happening. I'm just still doing a bit of analysis here. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Switch to the 15. Been in Kingaroy for 10 years. Fuck. Hectic. Kingaroy, that's up north, isn't it? I'm trying to think. All right. All right, we're going to need to wait for this candle now. That was a solid 15 push, like big, strong body, small wicks on both ends. I would like this to close small body red to catch a trade on the way up. If not, I'll be waiting for that breakout up here. Or it could just keep coming down and then I'll have to reassess again. I'd have to reassess again, which is very highly likely. Like, of course that can happen. Let's say it closes green, higher low created, then it might test the close of Friday. Yeah, like it's certainly creating very obvious kind of higher lows over here. That disruption with the gap down over the weekend kind of disrupts the flow of it, but it's still pretty obvious. Lower low, higher low, higher low. Could we get this? Create another higher low, and then maybe tap into there again, and then fucking off to all-time highs again. Because remember, guys, this is all-time highs level right here. We're back up there. Boom, 1K likes on TikTok, which is probably like 4 people that just spammed it. So we're getting some sort of pullback. It could just be creating a top wick for a continuation down. I'm not sure. You still around the hood, brother? I'm living in Brisbane City. I live in the valley, in an apartment in the valley, right in the guts of the city. So that's where I'm at these days. I love it. I love it. Sorry, TikTok, you don't have the music. I'll put it on for 1 sec, but it makes my voice go real echoey. Or it says, fuck off, I'm flying to the sky. Yeah, it could it could entirely just do its own thing. So I guess I'm just trying to make sure I don't miss the clues that it leaves before it decides to head in one direction or the other. I don't want to miss any clues. Alright, I've chilled out a bit more with all this streaming shit. I'm a bit more focused now. Man, that first fucking 10-15 minutes was stressful. Shit. But now I've got a bit of a better... I feel a bit more in tune with what's going on over here now. Catch up one day again, brother. Yeah, whenever you're in Brisbane. Not so much Rick, but Zeke and shit. Yeah, we play Fortnite and stuff and catch up a lot of the weekends, actually. Bro, seeing 1K likes on TikTok is such a glitch. It's like they're trying to... TikTok does everything to try to spike your, your endorphins and shit like that. It's like, let's let people spam it. So if these people feel like they get in so many likes, it's just like, I'll just pay one of my friends to spam it for like 10,000. There's no news today, is there? I don't think so. Whoa, that's super dead. So if this is NFP week, it should be this Friday, right? Oh, look at this. So tomorrow night, at 1 a.m, we've got some Red Folder news. Wednesday night, Red Folder news. Damn, this week is gonna dictate a lot of what happens with gold moving forward. Like whether we break all-time highs and just continue up further, or if we get some sort of pullback. Right? It seems like it made sense. Hi Daniel, Europe ended the summertime yesterday, so assume London session starts at 20 minutes. No, London has started London started 40 minutes ago, brother. London started 40 minutes ago. So we're 40 minutes deep. Oh, 1 hour back. Yeah. So 1 hour back. Yep. So over here in London, trying to pin these candles in a corner here. Just waiting for some opportunity. Most ideal setup will be some sort of breakout above this level here, something like this, for a continuation up. Or even if we get a really strong break above and you think, oh man, that broke pretty far above. If I take a buy here, that means my stop loss has to be all the way down here, right? But what can happen is something like this, where the next one prints red, and then a continuation, I'll take an impulse buy at the break of both of those, because you get some support now that's been created outside of that zone. And this is like, I know Don Vu doesn't have a good reputation in the industry anymore, but this is kind of a setup that he really kind of highlighted well, which he called the celery setup. And you can get like an impulse buy there on that setup, and it works really well. It took me a while to kind of master that one. Not that I mastered it, but like to get good at it and understand it well. But yeah, it works really well when you get it. Works really well. So this 15 is about to close. Let's have a look at the 15 minute. Yeah, I'll see if I can show the... Oh, no, I can't really show the time frame on TikTok. Sorry, guys. You're just gonna have to guess. No, it's TikTok. It's always the 15 or the 30 minute. Just remember that. So 15's about to close. Got 2 minutes for the 15 to close. It's going to create some sort of support over here. I might be... I'll wait till this closes. I might be interested in sells still. Potentially. This is the first phase of 100k combine challenge, Peter. So I'm live streaming the challenge phase of this one over here. Yeah, I do, Nathan. That's funny. Yeah. Drop some likes, TikTok. Bro, TikTok's popping off, man. London started. Yeah, London started. Alright, I've got 30 minutes over here. 30 seconds for this. 15 to close. I'm expecting this to hit 2750, then we'll look to take sells. 2750. On futures or Forex, because it's just past 27. Oh, Forex is way up here, yeah. Oh, you're going to take sells up there. Shit. You're going to take sells at 2750, which is just breaking out of that major resistance zone and edging all-time highs. Yeah, nice. Sell the shit out of that. Oh, look at that gap up there on that 15 closure. Yeah, Forex. Yeah, I had a look there on Forex. Yeah, I can see what you're saying, Peter. Sells is yeah, I'll be honest. Sells, like, if you can pull off sells there, Peter, you're a G. But yeah, if I were to just present some things, like, it looks like we are making a kind of like higher lows. It's kind of edging its way up, and this is a major resistance zone here. And the thesis is, if it breaks, nothing means anything, but if it does mean something, if we close and break above this area here on the 30 or the hourly, I feel like there's a high probability, look how clean the range is to the left, of it continuing up at least to 2765. But then again, yeah, like I said, nothing means anything, but yeah. This song is called Hotel Suites Interlude by Luke's. Oh, Shazammed it. Yeah, nice. Okay, sweet. There you go. Peter, I want this to go to the moon. So do I, brother, because I want to enter some buys here, and I want to go to the moon as well. I reckon the moon's where it's at. Isaac, FVG at 2750. So if it's respected, you'd probably want to take longs. Yeah, I think the general consensus is once we get up above here, is longs is looking pretty juicy. We want to go to 2,800. Well, we want to go to 3. I remember all the drawings that you did at school. Yeah. Nah, no crap. I remember that. That's wild. Yeah. Although I would like to do it like at a legal wall for a bit of fun. That'd be cool. I was talking about it with one of my mates actually. It'd be pretty fun. Bro, so talking about experts in the fundamental field and shit like that, they were trying to say that we're going to hit 3,000 by this year, the end of the year. It's pretty fucking far, but it's not unrealistic. It's not unrealistic, considering what gold's done recently. Yeah, Peter, I'm on this Combine account, so I started live streaming it on YouTube just as a way to kind of keep myself accountable, right? Not be a degenerate, and it's been quite good. It's been quite good. You know, I think that's a good way in anything in life if you're like trying to keep yourself accountable. Like if you're trying to quit cigarettes, accountability will be like one of the best things you can do. Tell someone, tell people, put a fucking post on Instagram, be like, I'm quitting cigarettes. Then you've got social pressure to uphold to your promises. And the more you can uphold your own promises, the more you kind of build self-respect and trust yourself. I think that's the biggest issue in life. Like in some of, like, if you think about some of your flaws in life, it's like your ability to trust your own word is so like, it's hard, but it's crucial if you can start to trust your own word. If you can actually do what you say. And I guess I kind of leverage live streaming to do that as well, to keep myself accountable. And yeah, that's really it. Getting some sort of push here, which could also just be a top wick, but we'll see. I don't feel like it is. I feel like it's some sort of push. But then again, you can't trade off feeling. Yeah, I feel like this is going to happen. Oh yeah, cool. Oh man, if you guys could see what my screen's like. Actually, I'm going to try and show you. There's just so much shit going on. I guess it doesn't look that technical, but there's so much. Laser Crypto Man. I don't want to have too much of a bias, but if I were to have one, it's bullish for sure. It's bullish for sure. So I'm waiting for some sort of closure above this range up here. And then I'm going to be looking to take some sort of buys if I see what I like up here. What about yourself, man? What are you thinking? Where's your head at, bruh? Yeah, bullish day, cool. Yeah, sounds like we're all... LGS 2712 for buys for me. 2712. Let's have a look at 2712. 27. Oh, wait. Oh, I guess you're talking Forex maybe? Bro, 2712 is back down here. I would love to take buys down here as well. If I could just go back in time. Am I reading that wrong? 2712. Yeah, bro, I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean, mate. Yeah, so anyone watching this right now, drop a follow. I've recently what's the freaking word? Wow. Oh, collaborated with a prop firm. So I've got a couple of prop firm accounts that I'm giving out to whoever. So I'm going to do that this week. So drop a follow or else you won't get one, all right? If I have to blackmail people to follow me, I'll do it. What's your buy above level? My buy above level on futures is around 2757. So it's not a particular price point, it's an area. So if I get just hang in once, just watch this for a sec. I know TikTok people have like low attention, but watch this, check this out. If I get something like this, candle comes up, another one comes up, breaks above that area, comes down, wicks, flips and pushes, I'll take a buy there. All right. I actually don't want it to come up that high. I don't think it will close that high. But that's my idea, right? Some sort of closure above that zone. Flip, push, bang. I have a few different options when it gets up there. If it doesn't, kind of present exactly how I want. I've got a few things like a few tricks up my sleeve, but that's the general idea. Big Dog TV, I'm following. Oh, my man. Or else buy it with your own money. Yeah. Look, guys, follow me to get a prop account for free, or else buy it with your own money. And we all know how freaking non-cheap they are. So, pick your poison. Pick your poison, man. So I've got 4 minutes over here for this 15. Oh, the 15:30 and the 1 hour are about to close. The 1 hour is closing doji over here with 4 minutes left. Does Forex reflect the same? Yep, Forex is reflected the same over here. Or sells below 2724. 2724. What do we need to do for the account? Raymond, literally just Raymond. Just follow me, brother. Just follow me. I only got the credentials for the accounts today, so I'm gonna start I'll figure it out how to basically. Oh no. All right, here's what you got to do. All right, this is the real shit. Pay attention right here. This is groundbreaking stuff. And I'm not even just saying this to be like one of these guys. TikTok, in my bio is a link to my Discord, and YouTube, you know where the Discord is. It's in the chat. essentially have to just join the Discord, and then I'll put a group, like a thing there saying, hey, this is the challenges, like, you know, and then I'll just give it away in the Discord, because it's the only place that makes sense. I can't do it here on the stream. I actually have to be in the Discord or something. So yeah, join the Discord. If you're on TikTok, it's in my bio. If you're on YouTube, it's in the chat. Oh, Zeke, what up, brother? What is up, brother? Where in Australia are you? Brisbane, Australia. 1 hour doji, green or not, that bad. 4 hour bullish, so it means buyers are probably in control. Yeah, I don't care if this closes green or not. I actually would rather it close red, to be honest, just to be some sort of 1 hour support. Yeah, I think I like what I'm seeing here. I think I know what's happening now. I think I could, what's this range? From there, if we get one 30-minute candle push up and break above that zone, what's the range? Bro, that's a 60 pip range. That can't be right. How is that fucking 60 pips away? Yep, it's 60 pips away. Damn, I need a couple because this is the question you got to ask yourself. If you go, man, I'm looking for a break above a key zone because I want to take buys, right? But that zone's 60 pips away. What's the probability of it continuing another bunch of pips without having a pullback, right? And it's like, do I want to be involved in that pullback? No, I don't want the stress of that. So it's like, yeah, maybe it's much more ideal to kind of get some sort of red candle printed again. Something like this. Sort of something like this, right? Where it kind of came up and printed a red and then it pushed up. Then it pushed up. That's a 30 pip candle, and then it obviously gapped down. How are you finding daylight savings with your trading, especially in New York session? I don't even know. Is it daylight savings? I don't know. I obviously, it obviously doesn't affect me because I didn't even fucking pay attention. I don't know if it's daylight savings here in Queensland, is it? Daylight savings, Queensland? Daylight savings is no longer in use. Yeah, it's not here. That's it. Google just told me like that. Boom. Easy money. Bro, it's storming or something crazy out here. I'd open up there. You can see the city in the background, but it's not as clean. It'll look messy as fuck. All right, so everything's closing here in an hour. When's this 4 hour close? 2 hours on futures and 1 hour on Forex. Hear that thunder? Had a breakout trade today for pre-London 2736 on futures or Forex 2736. Today 2736 wasn't hit till unless you're telling me you got that's 2736, the very bottom of this wick, which it's like, no, you didn't, bro. I'm sorry, but you did not catch that right there. I'm just gonna say it. Sue me. 2736. Oh, I see what you're saying on Forex. 2736. Yeah, fuck yeah, that's a beautiful trade. I would have Laser, I would have looked at that as well. That's fucking textbook, right? That is textbook. I'm actually jealous of you. Because look at this. There's a clear resistance here. Broke out. Retested. Flipped. Oh. Beautiful. Good trade, man. Good trade. In longs on gold. Isaac. Oh, hope you guys kill this move. Good shit, brother. So you're in longs right now on gold. You're in longs right now on gold. I think you're, I think it's, I don't know what you've seen to take the trade, but I think you're should be good. Should be a good trade for you. Should be a good trade. Oh, let's have a listen over here. I wonder if I should all right, I'm gonna open up this backdrop. I just want to see the storm. Hopefully it doesn't look too messy. Bro, that sounds like hail. Nice view. Oh, thank you, Laser. Yeah, it's got the it's Brisbane City in the background. Brizzy. You can see the lightning popping off and everything. Oh, shit. That's wild. Damn, I hope it doesn't start glitching out my internet. Have you been ballin' since JIT? Bro, what does that mean? I'm a retard. Like, I don't know what anything means. You have to... I don't know anything. What does that mean? I'm just going to say yes, but definitely not as well. Tight stops are what keep us in the game long-term. Risk management, 100%, man, 100%. Yeah. I will, my max stop loss limit, and obviously it depends on the type of trader you are, but my max stop loss is like 20 pips, and that's like max. That's where I'm like, all right, I'm kind of really, you know, and even then I'll take partials off. If I can see that the trade's like, it's like, come on, man, it's not really, you kind of think about it like this. You know when a trade isn't going to go in your direction when you're in drawdown, but then you just hold on with hope, right? You just got hope, and hope is the worst formula for trading. It's like Tom Hogarth says. I read Tom Hogarth's book, The Best Loser Wins, and he says 90% of the traders that fail are in a state of hope in drawdown and fear when they're in profit, right? It doesn't make sense. It's like all your human emotions kind of send you these retarded signals. Bread with Ed. Thoughts on ICT? My thoughts on ICT is not much. You know, I'll tell you what I do think is I would never like to trade in accordance to ICT concepts because... Oh, thank you for letting me know that Discord link is expired. I'll send a new one in 1 second. Okay, put it this way, Brad. If 90% of traders fail and consistently lose money in the markets, and 90% of like new traders and beginner traders use ICT concepts, there's a bit of a correlation, right? You almost want to do what the opposite of 90% of traders do. And also, I never found, like, I find much more success in simplicity, and I think it's a bit overcomplicated. You know, and a lot of the concepts are really concepts that are already apply, but just different terms for them and things like that. But yeah, at the end of the day, it's all good. It's all good. Wait, I'm gonna jump over this Discord here. Let me go invite. Never, no limit, generate new link, copy. And I'm putting it in the chat right now over here. Discord. I'm putting in the TikTok chat as well. Join my Discord. I'm giving away a couple of free prop accounts. No comment was posted because of live settings on TikTok. Well, that's annoying. TikTok, head over to my bio, giving away free prop accounts. Bro, this thunder's going crazy. Fuck. This is actually a dope background. Look at the water all dripping and shit. Price action is easiest. Yeah, simplest. 100%, man. No stop is the way to go. Just keep adding to your losers, bro. No one ever listened to Aru. That's the worst. Bros in Brisbane. Yep, 100% he is. Fair point, but 90% of traders would usually start out with retail strats. Well, ICT is a retail strategy. ICT is a retail strategy. It's I guess he pushes the idea that it's not, but it actually is. Fuck. It actually is. Oh, bro, this thunder. This is God striking down profits. I can tell profits are coming. Cashing out, Isaac? Yeah, cash out, brother. ICT is actually much more complicated. Yes, ICT is very complicated. Tried ICT, turtle soup, silver bullet, etc., etc. So much noise. Oh, I've heard of these. Okay, I didn't know about this fucking turtle soup, silver bullet, teacup shit is ICT concepts. Wild. I don't mean to hate on him, but I'm meant to be making a conscious effort to be more positive, but you know what it is? Do you know why I have this opinion? Because I've been trading for, I think, 2.5 years, and I've gone through so much pain trading, right? And I know when I went around the world and came back to my simple strategy and really tried to fine tune that, I found so much more success, and it alleviated so much more pain, right? A lot of the pain that that people talk about, oh, psychology is the most important thing. You have shit psychology because your strategy sucks. There, I said it. And I'm not saying this as somebody that crushes it in the game or anything like that, but there's so much shit out there, right? And it'll fuck with your head. So, anyway, I should probably chill up. Learning ICT for a year now at 16. What's your advice, and what's your advice if you wanted to do a funded account at my age? My advice would be, 1, join my Discord because I'm giving away funded accounts for free, and 2, pick the cheapest funded challenge you can do and do that. Don't go for these 100, 200k accounts. You don't need to. What you need to do is prove to yourself that you have the ability to consistently make money. So why not do that with spending the less amount of money that you can by doing the cheapest challenge? I think that's great advice. Do a cheap challenge and just prove to yourself that you can do it. Prove to yourself that you consistently, get there. And then get your more expensive accounts and shit like that. Can't, if you're 16, get your parents to set it for you. Yeah, just get your parents to do it. Man, I wish I fucking found trading at 16. I wish more than anything I found trading sooner than I did. It's such a shame, because I don't know about you guys, and I'm sure everyone has this, but I always thought in my life, man, I know. I actually want to say this, and I bet you anyone that's here right now and anyone that's into trading, TikTok, YouTube, we all have this thing within us. I think most of us do, where we go, man, if I just had an opportunity to prove myself, if I just had something which I didn't need to rely on anyone else, it was just me and this thing, and I get results the better I perform and the harder I work I do. Trading is that thing. It's like this game. Like, God has gifted us this game that we can just extract endless money from. All you have to do is just get really good at this game. If you like fucking Fortnite and shit, why not just play this game? It's incredible. At least you get paid. Like, I have this thing called MT5 Simulator, and whenever I get antsy to play, I'll just jump over to the MT5 Simulator. I won't pull it up now, but yeah, man, this is the ultimate game that for whatever reason, God has just, God has just provided us fucking this gift. And he's like, all right, you want to make money, do you? You really want to do it? Here's a very, very, very difficult game that if you can master to some degree, you can make money out of it. There's no other thing in the world that doesn't require enough. In a business, you have to sell to a person. A person has to give you money to make money. Trading, that's the only thing in the world. No one else, like, yes, other people are losing on the other end of our trades, but we don't require any other human being other than us and a freaking computer screen and like less hair after we pulled it out from all the stress. Is this gold, bro? Yes, this is gold, brother. This is gold. I'm on the 30-minute time frame right here. Just waiting for some sort of, we're really just kind of doing nothing right now. Just waiting for some sort of breakout. I think trading as a whole, like person to person, is really all about your perspective on the market structure and how you interpret it. I couldn't agree with you more, Big Dog TV. Could not agree with you more. And that comes back to like the ICT and all this kind of shit. It's like, if you find it good for you, do it. Because at the end of the day, like Big Dog, you just said, it's all about your perception of what the market's doing. I've said this before. I'm looking at this to get a breakout right now. Somebody else is looking at this and going, I'm waiting for this trend line to get hit, and then I'm going to take a buy once it bounces off that trend line. Another person is going, oh, there's a fair value gap down here. I'm waiting for it to trigger that, and I'm jumping in there. Another person has got a fucking moving average and a fucking VWAP, and they're going, I'm waiting for it to tap into this VWAP and shit. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you do. Just fucking do it. Just rock up every day, because everyone's got a different perspective. It's just how you interpret it. Exactly what you said, Big Dog. Send you a request. Won't let me join the link in your TikTok. What do you mean it won't let you join? I think I have to accept it on my end. I think I have to accept the Discord link on my end. So surely, Raymond, I'll have to look in that. I hope not. That's really annoying. And the other thing I was going to say to finish my fucking rant was, you, not only is the market how you interpret it, you don't, this is my favorite quote in trading. You don't have trading problems, you have personal problems. Boom, that's it. I could end the stream now and disappear into the space. Like that is it. Because the way you are as a person and your flaws in certain areas, they all show up on the market when you're in a high stress environment. Become a better person, become a better trader. I truly believe that more than anything, more than any strategy, anything. Yeah, we're really not getting much movement here. I'm really waiting for some breakouts. So how long, what's the time? It's only been an hour and 15 into London. We should get something happening very soon. Trading magnifies your flaws, bro. Actually. Bread, this is the 30 right now. I'll figure out a way to make it so TikTok people can see. Let me have a look. Let me see if I can do it real quick. No, I can't because I have to drag it over here. I'll figure it out. I'll figure something out soon. Trading magnifies your flaws, bro. Literally. I feel like I use this example all the time, but it's a perfect example. Like if you get cut off at traffic, young trader, yeah, it's gold, brother. I'm on the 30-minute right now, just waiting for some sort of breakout over here. Yeah, I use this example all the time. If you get cut off at traffic and your initial reaction is like, fuck you, and lash out. When you take an L on a chart, what's your initial reaction? To lash out and try to fight the market to get that money back. And then what happens? You just take a double loss, right? It gets worse and worse for you. So trading is constantly humbling you in these high stake environments. It's constantly showing your weaknesses, your insecurities, It's bringing everything out. And the more you put a highlight on that and actually face it and try to work on that, I think your trading improves. Like since like 7 months ago, 8 months ago, I started to take my trading really serious. Bro, I'm 33 years old and I all of a sudden just fucking read books now, right? Because I'm so passionate about improving my trading that I'll do anything that it takes to do that. And I understood that, man, I need to start really reading some books and kind of extracting the info out of some of the best minds in the world, right? That's what a book is. And I know you think, oh man, I can just watch a YouTube video. You can't, brother. Because you can watch a YouTube video and also freaking take a shit. Like you're not fully focused. When you're reading a book, it's just you and the book. You can see a unicorn model. That means that price will probably displace higher. Brett, I can't tell if you're joking or not. Because I can't tell if you're joking or not. Like, is this the unicorn here? Is this the unicorn? Bro, that kind of fucking looks like it actually kind of looks like a fucking... If you say, yeah, that's the unicorn, I'll literally die. Made our money, baby. Oh, nice, Isaac. All right, good shit, brother. No, it's an ICT concept. Damn it, I thought that was a unicorn. Anyway. It's an ICT concept, okay. Nice try there. Oh. TikTok, spam some likes, please. I'm homeless. Gotta love the unicorn. Bro, how did that look like a unicorn? Yeah, I don't know what a unicorn. Let's Google it actually. All right, let's get real ICT with it. Unicorn ICT images. I guess this is the unicorn. Oh no, we don't want. Fuck! I hope I don't get in trouble for that. See. All right, perfect example of my point what I was making before. This is literally just a break and retest. Break and retest. So every concept is kind of like the same shit. It's just some people have different names. When you think about it. I'll let you know my entry laser when it gets up to that. When it gets up to that resistance zone up here. I need to see how the candles form. Damn, we've got a lot of ICT traders here on TikTok. Big dog, when your YouTube channel blows up, don't forget about your day ones, brother. One, I'm glad that you have high hopes of me, and two, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Once people catch on to these unicorns, shit's gonna pop right off on YouTube. There we go. Bro, we're not getting much fucking movement at all, right? In this London sesh. I've got faith it will happen, but I guess that is a 60 pip range, but it's just like... Maybe I think I'm looking at the big picture a bit too much over here. I'm so set on this breakout up here. I'm missing some potential down here. Because I don't know why today, but just these ranges look so much smaller than what they are. But they're actually massive ranges. Like this is a 60 pip range just here. But at the same time, yeah, it's not clean enough. Carl, we are going to break new highs. Yeah, I have a feeling we will as well, to be honest. If not today, this is NFP week, so there's so much news coming up this week. Yeah, Laser, if you caught a nice trade this session, there's nothing worse than catching a nice trade and then giving it all back. So it might be a good idea, eh? That might be a good idea. Yeah, I've got to stick to my rules, and it's just not clean enough right here. And this is pretty messy all through here now. Like if on the way up, this range here is messy. So I'm going to need some sort of breakout now. Or a break below this. A break below either of these levels. So I'm actually going to put a new zone here. I'm going to put a new thing here. Boom. Sells below 100%. %. Yeah, man, many times. Yeah. Yep. All right, so this is what I like. I like when I have the market cornered like this, right? I know that in this zone here now, this is a no trade zone through here. But a break below or above, fucking sign me up. Sign me up. Work and income. Oh my God, you have to be kidding me. About what? Because I don't think I'm kidding you. I think this is real. We are really here doing it. Laser, do you always wait for closures on a breakout? 100%, unless there are exceptions, but 90% of the time, I wait for a closure. There are exceptions, and I won't go into it right now. I explained it before, but there are exceptions. But 90% of the time, wait for a breakout. You were on maths. You were great. Thank you. Thank you. That's a rare comment, actually. I must admit, even though I haven't had one for a while. Usually, it's like you're an asshole. Yeah, been stung a few times, not waiting for closures. Bro. I have lost most, if not all, my trades. Not all, I'm being dramatic, but I've lost most of my trades when I didn't wait for a candle to close. Because essentially not waiting is impatience. It's amateur shit. Amateurs are impatient, right? And not waiting for a candle is amateur. And that's where I've been stung the most. Wait, were you on maths? Yes. I think it's... Right now I'm on the 15 minute. Yep. Yeah, I'm on the 15 minute. 3 minutes here before this 30 minute closes and the 15. So we're kind of stuck in the mud here. I've got the charts cornered here. I'm waiting for a breakout of either way. Sell or buy. Look here. Look, Jas or whatever. I'll sell or buy once we break either of these zones. I don't know how clear it is on TikTok. Bruh, 2K likes on TikTok. Can you guys spam it to get it to 2K? It's like giving me OCD not seeing it. It's at 1.9. Please, I'll give you my firstborn child. And if you want a free trading account, I'm giving a couple away in my Discord. My Discord is in my TikTok bio or in the chat on YouTube. Because I can just see right now that I've got some requests here. Oh, I've had quite a lot actually. Yeah, I see. All right, cool. My wife thought you were hot. Oh. Oh. My wife thought you were hot. My wife thought... Oh, 2K. Yes, thank you, TikTok. I will be sure to pass my firstborn child your way, whenever that is. How to get your Discord? Go to my bio on TikTok, or if you type in Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. But you're on TikTok right now, so just go to my bio and there's a link right there. Like I said, I'm giving away a few accounts over there. Bro, how have I got 30 consecutive viewers on TikTok and only fuck all on YouTube? But YouTube's OG. What app is this? So I'm on Topstep X, which is a Topstep. I'm on a 100K Topstep account, and this is their platform that they allow people to do shit with. All right, so we've got 40 seconds over here before the 30 closes and the 15. We're still kind of sticking around here. I may be looking for some sort of breakout to the downside. The 4 hour on Forex might be closing in a minute. Wait. Okay, so this is interesting. The 4 hour on Forex is closing in half an hour. And this is always a dangerous game to play, because what generally happens, right, when a candle opens or closes, it doesn't know which way it's going to go first, and it will wick one way or the other first. If I decide, man, this is looking great on the lower time frames, I'm in a buy. Boom, just took a buy. Before it takes off, it might want to retest one more time. I get taken out in that retest, then it goes. So I always like to be cautious around the 4 hour close for what might happen, because I don't want to be caught in that opening candle. With that being said, we might be getting a break below here. If we do, let me look at the high time frames, make sure I'm not missing anything. It's looking actually okay for a sell, to be honest. If I get a closure. I explained earlier what I look for these reversals. The bodies are getting smaller than a printed red candle. Damn, I might even take an impulse. I'll wait. Bro, nearly 40 views on TikTok. What the fuck? Price prediction for gold next year, brother. Sloozen V. I have no idea. And how many people on Earth right now? I think there's 9 billion. No one knows. And if anyone ever tells you, freaking just throw dirt in their face or something, because no one knows. I think there's a general consensus that it will just keep going up, right? It will just keep going up. Gold's always been kind of a safe haven when shit's going on in the world, and shit seems to be always going on in the world. So, but yeah, who cares really, right? Who cares? Let's just try and get our piece of the pie along the way. So right now, amateur me would take a sell and go, it's going down. Look, it's going down. And then right now, I'm like, oh, I'm about to get stopped out. Professional me goes, let's wait out and see what this 15-minute candle can do. Let's see if it can close outside of this range. And then let's look for taking a sell, maybe. Marcel, I'm a scalp today, and for this moment, €530 profit. Oh, incredible. Fuck yeah, good job. Very nice. Oh, okay, because I work in a gold mine. Oh, damn. Damn, when I think of that, I think of like that Blood Diamond movie where you kind of like in a gold mine and you see a big nugget of gold or a diamond and you pocket it and then they kill you. All right, so let's see how this 15 closes. Let's see if it can present an opportunity for a sell. What trading strategy do you use? Primarily breakout strategies. If you're familiar with other traders that are pretty popular in the industry, you could say it's closest to people like Raja Banks, Nick Stewart, Don Vo, right? And then I kind of put my own twist on it as well. So primarily kind of breakout trades, focusing on the 30 and 15 minute for entries, and a daily 4 hour and 1 hourly for overall bias. That's what I do. That is what I do. All right, so again, waiting for a closure. And also, I said at the start of the stream, this is NFP week. It's the end of the month, and it's Monday. They're three pretty significant things. With that being said, I'm going to be a bit extra cautious and lower my lot size a little bit when I do take an entry. Bro, nearly 45 consistent viewers. What the fuck? Don't understand. YouTube, bros. Step up. What happened to Don Vo? I think I know as much as you guys. I know as much as you guys. Danish, are you in a buy or sell? Nothing. I'm waiting for this candle to close. If it closes, I'll be looking at a sell potentially. I'm a bit sus on the 4 hour closure coming up on Forex. Because I have to look at this 4 hour now and go, if I'm looking at taking a sell, can I visualize this 4 hour candle? Can I visualize this 4 hour candle doing this in 15 minutes? In 15 minutes, can I visualize that happening? Which is 100 pips. Obviously, I'm not going to try and catch 100 pips, but my point is, can I visualize this flipping in 15 minutes? And if not, I'm going to be in a trade open when the next 4 hour opens up. What's to say it doesn't want to wick up before it continues down? Now that I've said this out loud, I don't know if I want to take a trade, a sell. I don't know if I want to take a sell when this closes. I'll assess it when it happens. I'll assess it when it happens. But there could be an opportunity. There could be some other opportunities. I won't speak on it yet. I'll wait. Which coin? This is gold, brother. Reese Walsh. This is gold. I'm trading gold. against the US dollar. I'm going to wait for the 4 hour to close. I think that's a good idea, Laser. I think I'm going to do the same. Yeah, I'm trading gold Danish. I should probably put some sort of thing here on TikTok, but I don't know how to do it. Bro, TikTok, 51 consecutive viewers. What is happening? This is my first time on TikTok, so I don't know how to put shit on the screen and stuff like that, so I'll figure it out. For those watching, I'm going to be trading the London session every day live on this TikTok channel and also YouTube. I already do. XRPBB, what the fuck does that mean? Sorry. Do you ever look at the 12-hour candle? Never. I only look at the weekly, the daily. Actually, let's jump over here real quick. Let's look at this monthly candle because the month is ending. I think that's a smart thing to do. Let's look at this monthly candle. Bullish. This is the monthly chart. So this monthly candle closes in 3 days. Wow. Incredible stuff over here. Look at this. TikTok, I'm trading every day live on this channel. I'm also giving away free prop firm challenges in my Discord. The link is in my bio. Sorry to do shameless plugs, but do you want a free freaking challenge? I do. Well, I got one, but I can give you guys one as well. All right, so my sell's kind of been cancelled out here because it's just kind of dropped, but I have a feeling this is presenting some different opportunities. The 4 hour is flipping bullish, bearish now. It rejected off that 4 hour area. When I first jumped on stream, I said, be cautious of this area. 4 hour rejections. 4 hour rejection zone. And what did this one do? It rejected. So we have to wait and see what happens over here. We have to wait and see what happens over here. Do you do gold? Like as in I trade gold. I only trade gold. Try not to show price. Try not to show price scale on TikTok. How come? Hey Gary. Big sell opportunity. Yeah, if you caught that, it's a big sell opportunity. It just dropped 40 pips like it was nothing in 5 minutes, so just have to wait. They will ban you. Ooh, for showing what? Price. What do you mean by price? What do you mean by price scale? Bro, 60 live viewers. I'm mind blown. I'm gonna keep shamelessly plugging myself, but I won't right now. I'm gonna close this backdrop. Hang on one sec. How's life? You know what? My life gets exponentially better by the day. Not without pain and suffering and struggle and assessing and looking in the mirror and saying, you need to fix this area. But overall, life is good. If you are on TradingView and show price on RHS, bro, again, I say it all the time, treat me like a retard. What the hell is RHS? I don't know anything. My OCD, man, of this thing kind of been slightly bent. Oh, price on the right-hand side. Do you regret maths and do you think it was good? I don't regret it. And do you think it was good? Well, good's subjective. It definitely gave me opportunities to change my life in a lot of positive ways. So I guess everything happens for a reason. And yeah, I'm glad it happened, I guess. Yeah, I'm glad it happened. With that being said, so I got 3 minutes here for this 15 to close. 18 minutes for the 4 hour to close. Steph, buy. You want me to buy, Steph? Should I buy? Because Steph just told me to buy right now. Steph from TikTok just told me to buy. Should I buy? Oh man, you're so lucky. I was so close to clicking buy just then, just because Steph from TikTok told me, but I better not. If you are also on TikTok, always say, this is not financial advice. Oh, shit, really? Huh. Big Dog TV, gold to me has been in a range since the 21st. So if you're in a tough spot... Well, I've said this before, like, remember what gold does. It hits an all-time high, then consolidates in a range, right? And then it like, check this out. It hits an all-time high, consolidates, and then what does it do? Breaks out and shoots for the moon, right? Then when it shoots for the moon, it reaches another consolidation, and then shoots for the moon. Like, that's how gold's been behaving lately. And yeah, I guess we'll see. You won't. Yeah, I nearly, I nearly took a buy because Steph from TikTok, but I better not. One day someone's going to influence me though. Are you using SRC strategy, Raja Banks? I was saying before, Yumari in the US. Yeah, my style, I guess, would be closest related to Raja Banks, Don Vu, Nick Stewart. I've kind of like put my own twist on those three guys, essentially, I guess. But yeah, primarily like kind of breakout styles and things like that. Very simple, no indicators and shit like that. Guys, if you're watching this as well, I've said it before, link in my bio, I'm giving away free prop accounts. I repeat, free prop accounts. Join my Discord and yeah. I use Raja Banks, they all do that. Well, are they all as cool as me? What strategy do you use? Essentially, I'll tell you right now, I have 5 entry strategy models that I use, right? And one of the closest one to Raja is like the breakout, which is what I'm looking at here, which is essentially a closed candle above a key resistance or support zone, anticipating a continuation. Day trading in Australia is not worth it unless you're willing to pay capital gains tax. Oh, I don't even know what to say to that. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. I'm gonna have to keep trading though. I just have to do it. I have to do it, man. Bro, in capitals, don't buy. Melt into gold. Double loons to the moons. Ooh. I thought to the moon means buy. Man, don't tempt me to do a buy. Steph from TikTok nearly just did then. Steph from TikTok nearly just made me take a buy, and I'd be in profit right now if I listened to Steph from TikTok. You guys fucked me over. You guys fucked. Yeah, I want to move to Dubai. So here's the thing. I'm like all of you guys most likely. You want to crush it in trading, get to a level where you can move somewhere where the tax is much lower, right? But to do that first, you need to be able to consistently pull a pretty decent amount of money out of the markets. I have a day job. I get paid pretty good at my day job. in Australia, London Open is at 5 p.m. So I can work all day, come home and trade, right? I have a perfect structure right now. Until I'm pulling a pretty solid amount of money out of the markets, man, I'll move to Jupiter. Like, honestly. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm about to piss my pants. I'll be back. Oh shit. I keep spamming. I'm going to spam it again. In my bio on TikTok, I have a Discord where I'm giving away free Prop Firm Challenge accounts. Join me. Join me. What site do you use to trade? I'm on a 100K Topstep Combine Challenge account. So they have a thing called Topstep X. It's like it's kind of like fucking Trading View. Ugh. Sorry. So this 4-hour candle on Forex closed in 10 minutes. I think the smart thing is to wait for this. Let's not get caught in these fucking wicks over here. There's no clear direction just yet. Right? There's no clear direction. Why would I want to participate in that if there's no clear direction? You can set it up so you only pay tax on your income band. Big Dog TV, you're going to be successful because your fan base is engaging with you now, and that believe me, it's please try not to change. Oh, thank you, Big Dog. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, like I said, I only started to do this just to keep myself accountable. So, and I've spoke to one trader prior to live streaming. This is my first live stream on TikTok. I've been live streaming on YouTube. I never spoke to another trader, right? And it's the best feeling to actually be able to speak to other people that are in this thing that I love, I'm so passionate about. So passionate about, right? 4-hour close in 9 minutes. For new people coming to learn the tax system, yeah, I'd love to know a bit about this, how to decrease your tax, that's for sure. Damn, Steph, if I was in Steph's bios right now, I'd be fucking stressing out a bit over here. So it looks like we're going to have to wait 8 minutes for this 4 hour to close on Forex before we're going to get any clear direction moving forward here. Isa Muhammad, we will hit 2718. 2718. Bro, I don't get some of you people like you. Oh, you're talking about cells. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I could see something like that happening. What app is this? It's called Topstep X. It's like TradingView, but you can trade your Topstep account on it. TikTok, spam likes, please. I'll literally beg. So TikTok can push this video more. I need all the help I can get. I'm homeless. Bro, 100 viewers. I don't fucking get it. I don't understand. I don't understand. Anybody that's watching consistently, I'm gonna get annoying because I'm gonna have to keep saying, TikTok, join my Discord. It's in my bio. I'm giving away free prop accounts. And I'll be live streaming the London session every day on this channel, on my page. On gold only. I don't fuck around with any other shit, just gold. Longing gold from 2718. Yeah, we've still got a while till we go there, I guess so. I was wondering if this was going to happen. So sometimes when you get these moves down like this, not saying it's going to happen, but sometimes when you get these moves that aren't really telegraphed at all, on the 15, you get a 15 closure out like that. I've seen it many times where it pushes straight back up. If this pushes back up and closes back up into this range, I'll seriously consider taking a buy and considering this a fake out trade. So it's got essentially 5 minutes to push all the way back up. I don't think it's going to happen, but it is something I've seen many times and I would definitely look to capitalize on. Retesting level 2729. So I'm going to have to... oh no, it's all right. 4 hour breaker structure. I might take sells if it breaks that. 2730. Oh, you're going to look at 2730. Which is down here. Yeah, I'm looking... I'll be looking for some sort of breakout of that zone as well, potentially. Yeah, for sure. Or even maybe this, depending on what that range is. What's this range just here? 15 pips. I'll take 15 pips. History. My stop loss got hit, unfortunately, but I do see a really good buy opportunity being created at 2728. Yeah. Okay. That's all right. Stops are going to get hit as long as you stuck to your rules. We'll see if another opportunity arises. Show P&L. There's no P&L to show. This is a challenge account. I'm trying to pass this challenge over here. I'm in phase 1, 100k account. And I'm live streaming the whole challenge. So when I enter a trade, you'll see everything. You'll see the stops, the actual money. I'm not going to be like one of these guys that are just like, look, I'm in a trade, and they just leave that there. So no, you'll see it all. House Silver brought 12 kilos about fucking hell, did ya? Let's have a look. I'll tell you how silver is right now. I think. Let's look at the daily. Actually, let's look at the monthly. Ooh, 2 years ago. Damn, unless you got in... It's in a good position now. It looks like it's kind of shooting up. This is a monthly chart. Looks like you would have got in around here somewhere. Nice. Looks like you're in a good spot there. The waiting game, Muzz. Legit. Legit. Waiting. Let me have a look at some of these higher time frames, make sure I'm not missing anything. I do believe an opportunity is going to arise. We've just got to be patient here. Nothing clean has happened yet, right? Yes, there's been movement and quite a lot, but nothing that's been clean enough to really go, oh yeah, here's a nice setup, let's jump on that type shit. Gold down, we don't know yet. We're going to wait for some sort of breakout or break of structure. Any thoughts on NAS? No, I don't fuck with any of that. I strictly just stick to gold now. I found the most success in my trading when I decided to just trade gold at one session time, which is London Open, with one strategy. That's it. That's it. Keep it simple. One session, one strategy, one time. Boom. See you later. Is Friday close your bullish target? I see it rejected there from me. It depends. I'll draw something up right here. Let's say, for instance, this right here decides to do this for me. Let's say this next candle here can push down, test, create a small wick. It looks something like that. The next candle of that, small body, fails to break below. The next one after that engulfs that one, small body. The next one after that, wick down and push up like this. I'll take a buy, anticipating it to come back up to this range here. Right? If I seen something along the lines of that, that would be very nice. But we've got 30 seconds here for this closure, so it's, you know, it could happen. We could get something like that. What are you trading at the moment? I'm trading gold. Sorry, TikTok. I'm going to try and figure out how to be able to show more on TikTok, like the time frame and what this actually is, because this is my first time there. I'm also trading on YouTube. I've been trading on YouTube live for quite a while. This is the first time on TikTok, so I'll figure it all out. But this is gold, currently on the 15-minute chart, 30-minute, back to 15. The 4 hours about to close. How long have you been trading for, and what's your biggest loss? I've been trading for 2.5 years, and I've never had a singular biggest loss because I've only traded prop accounts, but I've blown a decent amount of prop accounts because I learned through prop accounts. And I think, you know, that people have a bad reputation of like, oh, it's not, you shouldn't learn on prop accounts, right? I actually think it's quite good. It gives you some parameters that you got to stick by, and that's that. My YouTube is Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm going to be, I live stream on there already, but I'm going to be starting to post some kind of longer format content on YouTube as well. Daniel Holmes Trades. But guys, if you haven't seen, in my TikTok bio, go follow my Discord. I'm going to be giving away free prop accounts. I've recently just been, done a thing. Why do I keep forgetting the word? Wow. Oh, collaboration with a prop firm. They reached out to me and said, hey man, we see you building an audience. Here's some prop accounts. Give it to some people. Type shit. So I was like, all right, sweet. I was like, can I have an account? And they're like, yeah. So I've just got them today, actually, and this week I'm going to start giving them out. So join my Discord. It's free, and we can just talk shit as well. But yeah, I haven't had a big loss, but I've blown accounts, which obviously hurts, right? And you pay for the account, so that's where I've kind of lost money. I use, this is a Topstep account. I'm on a 100K Topstep account, but I used to be on FTMO. But in Australia, FTMO recently changed their leverage regulations and you can only trade 1 to 30 leverage, bro. It's fucking impossible. You can't even risk 1% on a trade. So I switched over to futures, and I'd always wanted to kind of switch to futures. I wanted to test it out. So now I'm trading futures, 100K F2, 100K Topstep. What's your main goal from trading? My main goal from trading is probably the same as you guys, right? I have grand visions of what trading can bring, right? I have grand visions of what trading can bring. It's this incredible opportunity that has been presented and gifted us by God. I don't know where it came from or who did it. I don't give a fuck, but all I know is it's here and it's gifted an incredible opportunity. So whatever your vision for trading is the same as mine, right? But I'm still in the process of really becoming the best trader that I can. And one of the best ways for me to do that is to show up every day. Stick to a strict set of rules and just show up every day. And constantly analyze not only my trading, but who I am as a person. I have to look in the mirror metaphorically every day and strive to become the best version of me, because I know the better I become as a person, the better my trading will be as well. I said it before, but when I really started to knuckle down on my trading maybe 8 months ago, I just started fucking reading books. I'm 33 years old and I just go, oh, I guess I read books now, because I've seen a direct correlation to me kind of improving myself to like reading books written by the people with the best minds in the world. So whatever your visions are for the future that trading can bring, so am mine, brother. When you say prop accounts, do you mean paper trade account? No, I mean, there's these companies that essentially give you funding, right? They'll fund you $100,000. It's simulated money, but the profits you make on it are yours. So right now I'm using one called Topstep right here, Topstep. Check this out. I understand that some people might not really understand what funding is. Oh, it's just going to take me to my thing. But yeah, you pay a fee essentially to get funded by these people. You have to pass the challenge, then you get a fee. And then you can trade with their funding. All right, I'm seeing some potential here. I'm going to have to wait to see how this 15 closes, and then we'll see what happens. Bro, I've got to be honest. I've been trading for about 3 months live on YouTube. I'm on YouTube live streaming right now as well. I'll max out at like 15 viewers consistently. Right now, there's like 120 on TikTok. You guys are wild, man. Wild stuff. What do you think, buy or sell? I'm just waiting over here. I'm just waiting over here. I'll tell you in 1 second what I'm going to do. I'll tell you in 1 second what I'm going to do over here. Yep, my broker is 1 to 500. Yeah, see what I mean, man? 1 to 30, it's impossible. So I had to switch from FTMO to Topstep because of that. Is futures an alternative to MT5? Sorry, I'm a beginner. MT5 is the platform in which you actually take the trades, right? Futures is an entire different market to Forex. It's hard to explain to a beginner, but Forex is like two currency pairs against each other. So the strength of gold against the strength of the US dollar, the primary versus the secondary. Futures is you're placing a trade on the future of what, okay, I'm going to be honest because I've only recently switched to futures, but it's hard for me to explain. But it's like you're placing the trade on the future of what the market will do. It's kind of hard. It's even a bit confusing for me, but essentially a chart moves the same way a chart moves, right? So you can the transition was pretty easy. Fuck, man, I'm trying to read all this shit. Sorry. I'll be honest with you guys. If I see something like this, if this can test this low one more time and reject up, like give me a decent rejection like this, and then the next one close small body green, next one wick down and start to flip, I'll take a buy there all day. Something like that. That kind of looks like it would make sense, right? That's what I'll be looking for over there. TikTok, you guys are wild. I'm going to spam it again, but in my bio on my TikTok, there's a link to my Discord. I'll be giving away free prop firm accounts. I recently got hit up by this prop firm. They said, hey man, you're building an audience. That's cool. Here's some prop accounts. I was like, sick. Can I have one as well? They're like, yeah. And I was like, cool. It's that simple, but there's only one place where I can give it away in Discord. So I got a Discord and we can talk some shit there as well and stuff like that. I've said it before, like I've never spoke to traders until I started streaming, right? Ever. Like one person. And I'm so passionate about this game. I've been passionate about it for 2.5 years. I've cried, I've screamed, I've punched my desk, I've smiled. And when I get to speak to other like-minded individuals, it's cool. It's a good feeling. Are you a full-time trader or do you trade part-time? So I'm in Australia, right? I have a full-time job. I have a really good job, right? I work for a gas company. I work throughout the day, and then in Australia, 5 p.m. is when London Open comes into play. So then I finish work, jump on the charts, and then I trade London Open till late. My sole focus is to become as good as humanly possible at this game. And for me to do that, I have to show up here every day. I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have kids. I don't have any responsibilities. All I do is I wake up before work, train in the gym, train hard, go to work, come back and trade. That's it. The weekends, I backtest, look at data, do all this shit, read books. I read a book before night. I have goals written out. I'm tunnel vision right now, man. It's that simple. So, yeah, that's what I do. Will I one day become a full-time trader? I'm like you guys, man. I'm like everything that you guys think and want and yearn for with trading, I'm in the same boat, right? And all I'm doing is just showing up every day and pursuing that dream, and I'll live stream the whole thing as well. I'm kind of a book reader myself. Ooh, Dr. Seuss. Okay. Sell. Should I? No, I'm not going to click sell. What would your top profit and stop loss be if it goes your way? So this right here, if this goes my way, which it's kind of looking nice, I'll do this. I'll show you right here. I would be looking at something like this. I would be looking at something like this. It'd be a pretty big stop loss, bigger than I like, but I'll be lowering my lot size because I have a big range to hit. Right? If it'd be something like that. But what I would need to see is what I'm seeing now, something like this. And then I need to see one more wick. So something could be presenting itself right now, to be honest. I'd need one more wick and then a flip like that. Bro, I can't believe TikTok. I'm seriously blown away. You guys are lit, man. Like, have you ever heard of Trader Scale? I'm using 200 funded. Oh, Trader Scale. Okay. Trader Scale. Trader Scale. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we got some sort of funding account, some funding thing. Yeah, I can see 200K. Wow. Nice. Do you trade the New York session? No, because here's the thing. London fits my schedule perfectly. If London fits my schedule perfectly and I put all my effort into this, and this is something Roger Banks says a lot. He says, you really only have the mental capacity for like 2 really emotional decisions a day. If I'm on the charts for a few hours during the London session, it's quite mentally taxing, right? So, you know, I'll do that and then I'm done. I don't want to participate in London. Well, I'm doing a bit of scanning here. I'm just trying to figure this out. I won't be able to look at the chat for a second. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything, because some setup is kind of arising right now. Let me look at Forex 4-hour candle. The Forex 4-hour candle, I'm a little bit sus. The Forex the 1-hour candle, we're kind of at this zone. Is this a 1-hour rejection zone? Sort of, yep. The 30-minute and the 15. All right, yeah, it's looking pretty juicy for buyers. I just need to wait. Bro, I gotta be honest with you guys. Like, I've been trading on YouTube Live, which I am right now, for so long. I've never had like so many people, so I'm kind of like trying to read the comments and shit. It's wild, in a good way. Oh, Dan. Oh, someone's dropping a discount code off in this chat over here for Quant Tekel. Someone's dropped a 50% code off. I'm in a buy. Should I hold or close? Oh, fuck. I'm not going to be held responsible for such decisions, but just trust your analysis. And if it doesn't work out, just do your journaling and figure out what you could have done better. Google baby pips. Yeah, that's where I learned. The first thing I did, you guys, is when I was learning trading. Oh, someone did some sort of donation over here. I've got a diamond over here. Someone did some sort of diamond over here. Wow. Someone did some sort of diamond. Thank you. What lot size would you choose? People are saying rows and stuff like this. I don't know what this stuff means. Bro, what is going on? I'm just like fucking blown away, to be honest. What is happening? Okay, let me just... All right, I need to focus here for one sec. Setup is kind of arising potentially. Let me look at the daily quickly. The daily is created a bottom wick. It's bearish right now. It's tapped into this zone over here. The 4-hour is kind of... The 4-hour isn't giving me much info. The 1-hour isn't giving me too much. It is a 1-hour rejection zone of some sort. 30-minute. All right, so if this 15 here closes and the next one wicks down and flips, I'll put a buy stop right there. I'll put a buy stop right there. But I need a solid wick first. It's not the hottest setup, but it's something. Bro, I've got 17 diamonds. What the fuck? I don't know what it means, but that's... I know it's like money of some sort, I think. Wow, there's so much shit popping off on TikTok. You guys are wild. I'm trying to read your comments and shit. Do you pay taxes on trading? I need help with taxes, to be honest. So, like I said then, I'm not interested in this unless I get a wick down first. I need a wick down first. Do you trade futures? Yeah, this is the futures. I trade Forex as well. I'll be trading them side by side very shortly, maybe later in the week. Starter points for people learning how to trade. Like someone said before, head over to babypips.com and do their free course, right? And you know what? In the free course, it's not going to give you so much information about strategy and things like that. It's going to give you a bit of an understanding of what markets actually are, but it's more of a testament to do I really want this? Because it's not the most entertaining. You're not going to be fucking frothing from the dick. Like, it's not that interesting, right? But it's a testament. Do I really want this? And if I do, am I willing to actually go through this whole course and learn it? Because it's boring. It's pretty boring. I'd say start there and then start to move out from there and start looking into YouTube and come to my stream every day. Guys, I've said it before and I keep spamming it. If you want, in my bio, I have a Discord. It's free and I'm going to be giving away free prop accounts. I've been linked with this prop firm and they're giving me free accounts to give away to the community. I'm saying community. I literally just, this is my first stream on TikTok, but I've been streaming on YouTube for a while. All right, I've got to look at these wicks over here. How do I feel about them? Nice. Okay, that gave me a bit more of a wick. I've got a buy stop in here. It's a pretty small amount. If it flips from here, I'll be interested in buys. I don't like the stop limit. My stop loss is going to be pretty fucking far away, man. It's one of these unfortunate positions I'm in over here. Yeah, it's not ideal. But if this pushes down further and then rejects up from there, then I get to move my buy stop closer to that flip point, because the probability of it going up, if it pushes this far down now and rejects up, is much higher, right? If it goes all the way down here 20 pips and flips from there, bro, the probability of it flipping is much higher. Come on, bro. I know giving financial advice of this topic is a little hard, but tell us your thoughts. In regards to what, my man? Ascend is a scam. What candle's that? So this, I'm on the 15-minute time frame right now. Sorry, I'll figure it out TikTok how to show you more the time frames and shit later. People that always ask, what do you think is going to happen with gold today? I don't know and I don't care. All I care about is the zones at where it's at right now and what zone it could lead to next and how I can capitalize on that. So right now I'm trying to capitalize on this pushing up and moving up to this zone up here type shit. All right, somewhere up here is where I'm looking for it to move up to. And then that's it. That's my trade. I'm not trying to catch, you know, I'm not trying to go to the moon with it. I don't need to. I'm in your Discord. Oh, my man. Good shit, good shit. Yeah, this is futures. Oh, look at this flipping up like this. Yep, we've still got 9 minutes of this candle. I like that. Yeah, this is gold. This is gold. This is gold. Yeah, I like this. I like that it flipped like that. I just needed to do it in 4 minutes. I need it to push up. If it can't push up within the next 4 minutes, I'll have to cancel my order and wait for the 30 closure. Bang on. It's going down. Yeah, maybe. Well, someone else said it's going up. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Someone else said it's going up or down. Yeah, you just don't know. You just got to try and get your little piece of the pie on the way, right? First it would go down and draw liquidity, and then it will go up. Oh, see that type of stuff. I see where your head's up, but I'd say be careful with that. Whenever you try to predict what it's going to do, it's like, what strategy do you trade? I trade a few different, I guess you would call it strategies. The strategy itself would be, I don't know how you would even describe it, but I do a lot of breakout trades. My charts are always naked. I don't use indicators. It's just price action. I fucking pay attention to support and resistance zones, and yeah, I have about 5 different entry kind of models that I pay attention to. For 175 viewers, this is fucking wild. I keep spamming it in my bio. Join my Discord. I'm giving away free prop accounts. A prop firm has recently reached out to me, and they've given me free accounts to give to people. So I was like, sweet, hook a brother up. All right, I need 2 minutes for this candle to close, to push up. If it can't push up in the next 2 minutes, I'm out, and I'll wait for the 30 to close and see if another opportunity arises. Because if it shoots up here with the last like a minute left, and then the next one wicks up and then continues down, then I'm in a trade that I don't want to be in anymore, right? See, even the way it's looking now, I don't really like. I might cancel this in a second and wait for the 30 to close. I'm a big fan of supply and demand. Yeah, well, I do a lot of support and resistance. Like a lot of my strategy is, well, all of it is based around price action around support and resistance zones, right? So, which is very similar to supply and demand. I'm canceling this order, and I'm going to wait for an opportunity over here to arise. I think something else could present itself here. If I get a closure below this zone, I might be interested in sells. My only reservation is the fact that during London, it's already moved 130 pips down, right? And then you got to ask yourself, what's the probability that it's going to continue to go down without a pullback first? Because when price moves in a range, just say it's an uptrend, it moves like this. It has pullbacks. Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, right? So if we're in a downtrend, what's the probability that it needs to pull back first to continue down? These are the things that I'm thinking. Higher time frame bias with lower time frame liquidity sweeps. Yep, pretty much high time frame bias. I don't know about liquidity sweeps and shit like that. Like, I guess it's just everyone has. Oh, look at this, man. There's a lot of volume for these bears. I'm in gold buys. Oh, I hope it will go back, sir. Yeah. History. Remember, Dan, this is a demand zone support. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. I was planning for some sort of bounce off this support, but now I'm thinking we've created a bit of support here with this green candle. If we get a closure below, which we have here, what's the probability of a continuation down, right? The only reservation I have for that as well is right here. Look what's over. Sorry, I'll show it so TikTok can see. Look what's right here. We have some sort of support, minor support here. Now I know when it gets to that point, this candle is going to have some sort of reaction. Is it going to be enough for it to reject back up? And if it is, do I want to be a part of that? Do I want to participate in that potential bounce back up? And my stop loss is right there. So these are the things you have to consider, right? Are you trading golds on futures, bro? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm trading golds on my 100K challenge combine Topstep account on futures. I used to trade Forex with FTMO, but the regulations changed in Australia and they kind of fucked us. Bro is cute as fuck. Oh, that's so good. I'm so cute. Are you trading? Bulls are getting in. So let's wait. So what we've got this 30 minutes about to close over here. Man, this is a tough situation. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for this 30 to close. We're gonna have to wait for this 30 to close. You know what? And here's the other thing. If a clear setup doesn't arise, what are you gonna do? It's not the end of the world, right? The market's gonna be here tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. So I don't... Bro, what happened with FTMO? So in Australia, FTMO, the regulations changed. Australia's pretty strict with regulations, and they changed their leverage amount from 1 to 500 to 1 to 30. I can't even risk 1% on a fucking trade. So I was like, man, I'm not doing this. So I had to switch. I wanted to test out futures, so I switched to futures. If you don't know liquidity trading, fair enough. Every man on his own fundamental. Conflict in mid. Oh, I got more roses and stuff like this. Again, I've been saying, I don't know what these gift things are. I know they have something. I don't know if it's money, so I don't want to say because it sounds like it sounds embarrassing if I'm like, bro, I'm getting money. Like, I know it's like probably like 10 cents, but yeah, wild stuff over there. Every other streamer I've seen is in longs. Oh, they're all getting raped. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Bro, look to the left, has breakup structure. Yeah, I know we're pushing through a structure here on the 30. Again, I like that as an impulse sell. The only issue was, you've got to ask yourself, London has already moved 140 pips. My reservation was, if I take an impulse sell here, what's the probability it's going to move another fucking, 30 pips or whatever type shit. Sorry, just joined. What pair are we looking at? This is gold, my man. This is gold. I'm looking at gold. This is a 15 chart. The 30-minute candle's about to close. We're in a bit of an interesting situation here. I'm going to look at moving my zones around a little bit. I'm going to be looking at moving my support zone here now. I think we've got gold in a cleaner spot now. Now that we're broke past this kind of... We're not really broke past it, but I wanted to get past here because then we've got... Look how clean this range is. So if we do get some sort of bounce off this zone here, there's clean range to the left-hand side. It hasn't given any clear opportunities to take fucking any positions just yet. Look at this volume though. Bro, I'm fucking... What is going on with fucking TikTok, man? Like nearly 200 views. I've got all these gifts and shit. I don't even know what's going on, bro. I'm going to be honest. I've been trading on... Because I'm live streaming right now on YouTube as well. I'm doing both. And I'll max out it with like 10 views on YouTube. But TikTok's going fucking bananas, man. Sorry. Let's have a look. Let's lock in. 18 seconds over here for this closure. Damn, gold's really kind of... It's not making it easy today. But I've said since I started this stream, it's a Monday. It's the end of the week. It's NFP week. There's a lot of shit going on today. Not trying to break your stride, but when will you be giving out the Topstep accounts? I only got the accounts today. I think I spoke to them today. They said they sent it. To be honest, I haven't had a look, but I know that they said they have, so I couldn't see why they'd lie. So you guys on YouTube, on TikTok, in my bio, there's a Discord link. I'm going to be giving away some free challenge accounts. So I believe I got the credentials for them today. So yeah, they're like, just give them to your community and shit. Let's lock in here. So this zone right here, look at this. Right now, what I'm looking for, not right now, this is exactly what I was looking for before here. If you pay attention, this is exactly what I was looking for right there. Right, but I didn't get that. How interesting is that? That's virtually identical, right? But instead of this candle continuing up, it pushed down. So it made my trade invalid, obviously. So now I have to either wait for that exact setup to happen here now, or get it to break past this zone and continue down and look for a sell opportunity around there. I do have reservations for that, obviously, because we've already moved 150 pips in London. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. This trade won't be ready for another 2 hours, said someone. I really appreciate, bro, your work. I just brought specularly for you. It means a lot. Oh, thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Fuck, man, you're going wild on these gifts. I'm blown away. This is all new to me, man. I've been streaming on YouTube. This is the first one on TikTok, so I'm just like, wow, this is awesome, man. I love being able to just talk to other traders, right? Because I never speak to traders. Never. Ever. I'm running in 0.6 drawdown. That's all right. As long as you stuck to your rules. Losing's a part of the game. Is it probabilities or did you break your rules? Right? That's a question you always got to ask yourself. I understand gold. To understand gold, you have to understand the pyramid shape and its codes. What the fuck does that mean? That's wild. Do you mean like the pyramids in Egypt? Imagine that in order to trade gold successfully, you have to understand the fucking circumference of the pyramids in Egypt. Sometimes it feels like that, I'm not going to lie. One trade can change it all. What was it for you? Ooh, I actually, because I don't know if there's new viewers here. I was saying before, I still have a day job. I work during the day and then I trade all night type shit. So I have a job that I wake up, this is my routine. I wake up in the morning, I go to the gym, right? I go to the fucking gym. Then I work throughout the day. Then 5 p.m. my time is London Open. I don't have kids. I don't have a girlfriend. Then I trade all London Open till ever I want. And then I wake up the next day and do it all again, right? Because my goal is to be the best trader I can possibly be. And I just show up every day. And I thought, you know what, while I do this and improve as a trader, let me start live streaming and see if I can connect with other people and also keep myself accountable. That's the main thing. If I'm live streaming, I know I have to stick to my rules. Think about any time you've lost in trading. What happened? You got impatient, you broke your rules. Guaranteed. Right? And I did the same. So I thought, you know, what's one of the really good way I can kind of keep myself accountable and stick to my rules? Well, I can't be a degenerate if I'm live streaming and people are watching me. That's one way. What work you got? Wow, brain tumor. I work as a BDM for a gas company. It's pretty chill. It's pretty chill. I gotta be honest. I'm very lucky, to be honest. And that's rare for me because a lot of my life, I can't say, oh man, I was pretty lucky. And I feel like a lot of my life I've grinded and found myself in a lot of predicaments, but my life is very good right now. What time is it there right now? It's 7:30. Hello from the UK. What is up, B? What is up, B? It's going to the moon, someone says. How many Topstep accounts will you be giving away? So they're not Topstep accounts. They're actually from a company called Funded Next. So it's Forex. So I'm going to be switching between this Topstep account here on my live streams, trading this, and then switching to my Funded Next account as well, so we can trade it together type shit. So I'll be switching from Forex to futures. So there, yeah, it's Forex. It's a Forex funded. All right, what's going on over here? The 30's this. The hour is rejecting this zone. Is this a strong hourly rejection zone? Sort of. Look at this. Someone over here said, angry revenge trading, breaking the rules, no good. Yep. And I said it before, and I use this analogy quite a lot. I say, man, if you don't work on yourself as an individual, you are doomed in trading, because all your flaws and weaknesses and personality insufficiencies will come out on the charts when you're in an emotional state, right? Guaranteed. A good example, if you get cut off in traffic and your initial reaction will be like, fuck you. Mine is, and I'll be like, fuck you, lash out. When I take an L on the charts, what's the correlation? Fuck you, charts. I'm gonna get that shit back. go in double time, what happens? Bow, bow, double loss. So I have to look in the mirror so much and go, what are my weaknesses and where do they correlate in trading and how do I fix that essentially? We've got 8 minutes over here before this 15 closes. Let's see if we can get some sort of fucking something happening that will present an opportunity. I tell you it will dip a bit more. Yeah, I have a feeling like it's very rare that you'll see a strong zone like this not get tapped. Like what's the probability it just kind of stops there and turns around? It's high, but it's not, I won't say it's high, but it can happen essentially. So I don't want to get too caught in an idea. I just have to keep watching what the chart's doing and seeing if it's given any clues to what it might do next and how we can capitalize on that. Someone said buy now. Tom, don't tempt me, bro, because one day I'm going to get done like that. I'm just going to go, you know what? Tom from TikTok said buy now, and I'm just going to do it. Are you trading the 1 minute? No, this is a hourly. Sorry, I primarily will have it on the 15 or the 30 minute. This is a 15 right now. It will turtle soup. That's the second time I've heard that today. I don't know anything about ICT concepts. Someone said it was a unicorn before, and I was like, what the fuck? Close my buy position there when was meant to adjust the stop loss. That's all right, brother. At least you hopefully secured some profits. Can you briefly explain how exactly do prop firms work and pay? Essentially, you pay a fee for them to give you $100,000 to trade with, right? It's not really their $100,000. It's a simulated $100,000, but the profits that you make on it, you can have, right? But in order to get that, you have to do a 2-phase challenge, which is to prove that you can consistently withdraw to get your account to 6% twice with a minimum drawdown period. The issue is it's extremely difficult to do that, right? Because within these prop firm challenges, there's also a lot of psychological things that you don't take into consideration, like, man, I've got to pass this challenge, phase 1, it's just there. Oh, damn, I'm back, I'm going to miss a challenge. It's actually quite difficult. But once you do, then you have that funded account to trade with. And then from there, when you win trades and request a withdrawal, it's usually about an 85 to 15% split. You get 85 of it, the prop account gets 15. Hey, you got Discord link ain't working, brother. What the fuck? I'm gonna put in the TikTok chat right here. Guys, I just posted my Discord. Oh, it won't let me. Nah, it's definitely working. People have been joining, I'm pretty sure. Let me have a look. Or maybe you have to click and it says I'll accept it or some shit. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'll be trading the London session every day on this TikTok channel. And I do it on YouTube as well. I'm on YouTube right now. We've got a gooseneck formation for me, bro. I can't deal with these unicorns and fucking goosenecks. I don't know what it is. This is a goose right here. I'm assuming it comes up like that or something. What's your opinion on 5%ers? Oh, I actually did them once when I very first started trading. I think they've got a pretty good reputation. I think they actually do have a pretty good reputation. You come live every day? Oh, yes, I come live every day. I will be live on this channel every day. Yep. And on YouTube. And I'll be putting more longer format content on YouTube as well. Go through his Instagram. It works though that way. Oh, thank you, Bailey. Yes, that's true. Or YouTube, right? Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. TikTok. I got to be honest, man. I am blown away. Like the amount of viewers and follows and people like giving me gifts and shit. It's insane. I'm literally. It's made my day. You in Australia? Yes, I'm in Brisbane, Australia. 4 minutes over here for this 15 to close. Buy? No, we're not doing anything till the candle closes. I always, not always, I'll be honest, but when I get to key zones, wait for candles to close. Think about, look, people are doing more gift things. When I finish this and I look into this, because I don't know anything about these gifts and stuff like that, I'm going to be like, what the fuck? This is crazy. Thank you, though. Um, what app are you using? This is called Topstep X. Topstep X. Are you off maps? Yes. Yep. Or is maths off me? According to my strategy, it's a gold buy. Ooh. Made more on gifts than trading. Legit. Not that I know what gifts are. I've got 100 diamonds over here. I think that's like 10 cents, I could imagine. What's your weekly or monthly outlook on gold? I don't know, Elliot, because what time do you usually go live? I go live every day when London opens. So wherever you are in the world, whenever London open is for you, that's when I go live on YouTube and this TikTok. Yeah, I don't care about the weekly or monthly outlook, Elliot, personally, just because I just try to get my little pieces of the pie along the way. I use the 4 hourly and daily to kind of get a bit of a bias of where it might move next in terms of zones, but that's about it. Do you trade Asian session? No, I don't. I used to, but then it was too bad for my psychology because I'd lose a trade in Asia and then I'd be like, oh, I'd go into London with a bad psychology then. And my strategy is primarily formed around support and resistance. Looks like it's replicating the previous bullish movement. Do you mean here? Because it's not doing that. It's not really doing anything. All it's doing, look, it came down, closed with a small wick, and then just reversed. Like it gave no signal of what it's doing. It just came down and then reversed. I need some sort of confirmation first, right? Like this. If it came down like this here and then created some sort of doji small body and then a bigger engulfing bullish, then I know that the momentum is now starting to change because it's also rejected 3 times. Then what happened? It pushed up. I would have my buy stop right there for that continuation up. Right now, what it's done is it's come down and turned around. That's it. Came down, turned around. I can't do anything. My hands are fucking tied. So just going to hang out and wait. Random question, but do you know General Stones from options? Oh, from options trading? No, I don't know what that is. Have you backtested? I backtest a lot. And I backtest on a simulator, not a fucking trading view thing. You need a simulator, you guys, if you're going to backtest properly. It actually moves organically. The simulator I use is called MT5 Simulator. I'll pull it up next stream. It's actually really cool. And I spend most of my weekends using the simulator. And like, check this out. I'll show you something over here. So for instance, this is from this weekend simulation backtesting. I did a bunch of my shit, executed on my strategies, and then just printed out and left notes on some of these strategies that I implemented through my simulation. It's helped me learn a lot about my strategy. So I definitely suggest that. It's not free, but it's not expensive. It's like $100 a fucking month or something. Oh, sorry, it's $100 and then like $10 a month after that. Do you journal your trades? Absolutely. So check this out. This is my journal here. See all my trades. So I'll journal everything over here. Absolutely. Have you tried AI trading? Nah, fuck that. It can't do it better than human eye. But you know why? Do you know what? All right, listen to this, you guys. Do you know what AI doesn't have? Intuition. That's it. That's it. Intuition plays a part in trading. It really does. It really does. I use the same simulator. It helps me so much better. It's natural in real time. Yes. Yup. You know, if you ever try and backtest in TradingView and the candles skip, it's like, bro, what am I doing? Like, you need a chart to actually flow like a real chart. Bro, make a video about the app you're using. Oh, it'll probably only get 2 views. It's pretty, just Google, it's the same as, just go to TradingView. It's the same. The only reason I use this is because I can execute my trades here. because I'm with Topstep. I know if you're new to it, if you're new to trading, it's going to sound confusing. So yeah, just Google a bit more. The name of the simulator is MT5 Simulator. Bro, are you buying? No, but I'll tell you where I might buy. I'll tell you where I might buy. Let me have a look at this. I will buy if I get a closure above this zone. Buys above closure. I will buy if I get a closure above this zone. Since you've twisted my arm. Look, more people are sending roses and stuff. Unbelievable. Thank you. What's your KDR? What the fuck's a KDR? Kill death ratio? On like Fortnite? Oh, you have it all down pat from a psychology perspective. What do you do? What do you look to improve? Well, for starters, I don't have it all down pat. I have the concepts down pat, and I'm doing well at executing it. But I also have moments where I fall back into old behaviors, right? So the best thing I can do is to keep my psychology sharp is just by daily execution. Like anything, you just show up every day. If I show up every day and just try to execute better on my psychology, then it's going to get better. It's that simple. I have to go into every day going, Daniel, this is a perfect opportunity for you again today to exercise your discipline, your patience, and your professionalism on the charts. Because any time I've ever lost on the charts is when I've traded like a loser, really, a degenerate, treated it like a gamble, didn't take it serious. Right? Does that sound familiar to you guys? The times where you lose the most is when you break your own rules. And I'd go into every day going, today's a perfect opportunity for me to exercise my discipline at sticking to my rules. So you're doing futures with Topstep? Yes. Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't think you can use a trading simulator with TradeOvate. It has to be MT5. When should we enter longs for gold? Well, I wouldn't say when you do. I'm only doing this for me. If you decide to trade with me, that's cool. But I'm going to wait for a candle. Hey, check this out. I'll draw it right here for you. I'll show you exactly what I'm looking for. If this candle pushes up right here and breaks like that, the next one wicks down, flips, and pushes like that, I'll take a buy right there. Boom. Boom. Hard to see what time frame. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going to fix that. I'll try and fix that so I can show you. But just know that it's always the 30 or the 15. I use Topstep X. How do you decide by years of trading the same strategy? Do you recommend the gambling the gambling strategy? I can't tell if that's serious or not. I recommend the gambling strategy if you want. Do you know the feeling of emotional pain? I recommend that strategy if you want to feel lots of emotional pain. No, there will be a little bit of resistance from that place you marked. Yeah, there will be resistance. I'm very glad you said that. There will be resistance there. There will be resistance here. That's why if I get a candle that can break above that zone, that shows me that the resistance that it tried to give was not enough to stop this candle from closing above. So once we close above, that resistance then turns into support. So once it comes down and rejects off, I get confirmation, ding, that resistance is now support and we're ready for liftoff. Does that make sense? Then I enter a buy. That's what I think. Chased a loss yesterday, so gonna take a few days to mentally break, just journal and backtest. Well, Casp, ask yourself this. Was the loss because you didn't stick to your rules and you basically got emotional and took a bad trade? Or was it just probabilities? If it was just probabilities, just get back to it, because losses are gonna happen all the time. It's just a part of the game. It's statistics. But if you did, you know, you didn't stick to your rules, this and that, then definitely take some time to journal and reflect and figure it out. Do you trade full-time? No, I have a full-time job. I work as a BDM for a gas company. But with that being said, I said it before, I'm like all of you guys most likely. I have grand visions for what trading can bring. And I'm just, you know what I'm doing? Honestly, you guys, you know what I'm doing? I'm chasing a dream. That's all. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Just chasing a dream. That's all. So I wake up in the morning. Who wants to know my routine? This is what I do. I wake up in the morning. I train at the gym. Go to the gym. Come back. Shower. Go to work. Finish work. Jump on the charts for London Open. Trade the London Open session. Eat dinner. Play Fortnite with the boys. Read a book. Then go to sleep. And I'm locked in. I'm journaling on paper. I'm figuring out my flaws in life. I'm figuring out my flaws in the charts. The weekends come around. I'm on the MT5 simulator trying to get better on the charts. I'm doing everything I can to ensure success is the highest probability it can be. You just spoke those candles into existence. What's your risk management? If I take a breakout trade like I did say just here, it would kind of be below that resistance turns support type shit. You know what I mean? Bruh, these comments are just coming in crazy. Hey, you guys, if you're new on this TikTok one, I'm giving away free prop accounts. In my bio on TikTok is a link to my Discord. In there, I'm just going to be like talking to people and I'll be like, here's the challenges. I don't know. I've just built a Discord. I don't even know if there's many people in there. But this prop firm reached out to me like, man, we like that you're building a community. Here's some challenges. Give them out to your community, basically. So fucking why not? Thanks, Laser. Catch you later, brother. And you guys, if you're new to this as well, I'm going to be live streaming every day during the London session. How long have you been trading and how much you started? Are you in huge profits? Underdog. I've been trading for 2.5 years. I've always traded on prop accounts. I'm not somebody that's a full-time trader. I'm not somebody that's extracted massive profits just yet. But I'm just showing up every day and getting better every day. So I'm currently on a 100K challenge account. I'm looking to pass this on live stream and then start to buy more challenges and extract more money out, right? Do try 1-to-1 RR. Any Discord groups for crude oil? Oh, I don't know much about crude oil, brother. I'm only trade gold, strictly gold in one session. Yeah, what's the time over here, you guys? 8 o'clock. It could be running out a bit of gas now until New York, if I'm going to be brutally honest. So I'm going to hang out for a little bit and see if anything arises. If not, I hang up the ropes and come back tomorrow and just call it a day. It's that simple. I don't have to trade every day. Because what happens now, check this out, you guys. I've been in front of the charts now for a couple of hours, right? I'm waiting for a clean setup to arise. Nothing's really rocking up. Psychologically, I'm starting to get a little bit like, man, I really want to get a trade, eh? Like I want to get something. That's a danger zone. I can identify that within myself and I know that's a dangerous place to be in. So, if nothing clean rocks up soon, I'm going to call it a day and I'll be back tomorrow to look for something clean. So this 30 minutes about to close over here. So is the 1 hour. Smaller body on the 1 hour. Interesting. We could be running out of bit of steam over here on the for the bears. Put me through on how you do this. I'll DM you. Join my Discord, brother. I'm gonna be more active on there. What prop firm do you recommend and why? Well, it depends. What are you, a futures trader or a forex, and where you are in the world? Are you looking for buys? I'm looking here. I'll put something here as well. I'm looking for sells below here and buys above there. Closure. I always need a candle closure, right? Well, not always, but most of the time. So I'll just put that there. Looks like it's copying previous movements. I don't know. I don't see anything too. Right now, it's just printing side by side. There's not a whole bunch that's doing right now. I can see volumes kind of dying down a bit. What prop firm do you recommend and why? Yeah, it depends. Yeah, this is a 15. Sorry, I'll always be on the 15 or the 30. How much money are you playing with? This is a 100k Topstep account. So whatever the cost is to get a Topstep account. Forex prop firm, probably FTMO. They're the most reputable. You guys, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna call it a day here. I just see the volume kind of dying down a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I'll keep an eye out, but I'm not too interested. I think we're going to get the next big move in in New York now. Because think about it like this: London session has moved down 150 fucking pips, right? So it could just kind of be pulling up a little bit now, and then when New York comes in, the volume will push it in another direction. Thank you, anyone that's been here. I'll be back tomorrow during the London session. It's been wild on TikTok. You guys are insane. So thank you again, and love yous all. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace and prosperity. And YouTube, same shit. I'll be back tomorrow. Love